There's actually no cute way for me to put my hair up in this pineapple right now, which is so unfortunate. Hi my loves, it's Maya. So today's video I film my everyday makeup routine. This routine is more so if you want to be wearing makeup. If this is a little bit too much makeup for you, don't worry, I got you. I have my everyday no makeup routine. I'll link it somewhere up in the cards if that's the vibe that you're more so going for. But yeah, this is it. I love it. I think I look glowing. I feel fresh. It doesn't feel like there's too much on my face. I'm feeling good personally. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hi guys, it's AMAYA. So today's video I'm doing a everyday summer makeup routine. You know, it's gonna be more of a, how do you say, more of a like high quality summer makeup routine. You know, like if you feel like you want to actually put on makeup but you don't want to feel like you're wearing too much makeup, that's the vibe that we're going for. If you want a little more simple makeup look, you know, like a no makeup look, I'll put in the cards here. I just did it a few weeks ago, I want to say. So yeah, I'm gonna start out with just moisturizing my lips because they're dry. I'm going to be using this LA Colors Browie Wowie brow pencil. I honestly don't really like this. Yeah, I don't really like this, but it's the only brow product that I have right now. I normally use an LA Girl brow pencil. I forget what it's called though, but I used it in all of my other videos, and that's what I normally use. But I literally just ran out because I tried to film this yesterday and it just didn't go my way. So we move. I'm just gonna lightly fill in my brows, I've been into a more natural brow lately. I'm gonna set that with my Maybelline Clear Mascara. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. primer. Oh god. Let me take off my mustache because this is too much. Okay, so I just threaded my mustache, so that's why like around my mouth is a little, just a little bit red, but we're gonna move on. Oops. I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Urban Dream Cover Foundation. It's my favorite foundation as of late, because it has SPF 50 and I just really love that about it. And everybody needs to be wearing SPF regardless if it's in your foundation or not. Like if you're not putting on SPF, yeah, if you're not putting on SPF like every single morning before you step out into the sun, that is a big issue, and I need you to go get some SPF. I'm going to highlight my face. I'm just gonna go in right here. I like to go down the bridge of my nose, on my chin, a little on my forehead, and with the same e.l.f. concealer, it's the Hydrating Camo concealer. With that same concealer, I'm just going to be cleaning up my eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna be taking my sponge and just blending everything out. And I like to bring the concealer down. I'm using the butt of the sponge just to take care of any streakiness or any, you know, like any harsh lines, that sort of thing. I'm gonna go in with Maybelline's Fit Me, and this is in medium deep, and I'm just gonna use this to set the places that I concealed. But first, I'm I'm just going to tap everything out. Make sure that there's no creasing. What I like to do, I like to put it directly underneath the areas that I know it'll crease first. So like underneath my eyes, on top of my lids. And then after that, I go into setting the rest of my face. I like to bring it up on the sides of my nose as well, just because my nose gets really oily. And I don't like that. I'm gonna put my chin. And I'm gonna press everything in. I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal True Match, and this powder is so old, but girl, I like this powder, I just do. I'm going to be going over the areas that I set with it, just so that everything blends in a little bit more. I'm just going to be taking this big fluffy bronzer brush. It's actually a powder brush, I think, or a blush brush. This is a blush brush from like, I think it's like the, I want to say Walmart. And I'm going to mix, I don't know why I'm trying to open both of these. I'm going to mix the LA Girl Pro Face Powder and the Pro Bronzer from Absolute New York in dark, and this is in warm caramel. I'm just going to kind of mix these two. This is matte, this is very shimmery. Don't use too much of this, especially if you're my color and you got the dark shade. This is extremely pigmented and like extremely dark too. Like it says dark and it means dark, so just be careful with that. I'm just gonna go into the both of them. Like, I'm just going to start bronzing my face. I like to put it on my neck because my face don't be matching my neck nor my chest. Like look at this tan. Look, it's worse here. Do you see that tan? Oh my god, that was from a life jacket. I like to go in with just the LA Girl face powder and do my nose, and then I put it in my crease a little too. Okay, this is my favorite blush combination. I know I'm using a lot of like product, but I don't know, this is just what I be doing sometimes. You know, the basis stays the same. I'm using these two colors. If you watch my 3-in-1 Get Ready With Me, then you know that I love these two colors together. So this is the NYX Double Dare, and this is Coralina from Millani. I put on Double Dare first on my cheeks, and then I put in Coralina on top. Just a little on the nose area. Sure. And then I take a whole bunch of Coralina. I literally use this as like a blush topper. I feel like that's how I use it, because I don't know, I said this in my last video, I'll say it again, I just feel like it doesn't really show up on my skin, but it does at the same time, and it just gives it, like, since it has sparkle in it, it gives such a nice glow that I just love. So I still use it. Look at how glow my face is. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be using Apricot Glow, or Apricot Glow, still don't know, from e.l.f. And I'm just going to be putting that literally on the highest point of my face. I'm not a big highlight wearer anymore. I'm gonna put that on a little bit on my nose and just a little bit up here as well. So I'm gonna be putting on eyelashes because I feel like eyelashes just complete a look. I think it can make you go from like an 8, because we're already bad bitches in here, okay, period. Yeah, I feel like it can make you go from an 8 to like a 10. And eyelashes just be doing that. I can't, you know, select the eyelash that you want to wear. Personally, I can't wear like little frilly eyelash no more. But this is what the eyelashes look like. They look a lot better on my eye. I've been wearing them in my more recent videos, so any recent video that you see me wearing eyelashes in, like in the intro or something, these are the eyelashes that I've been wearing, because I just, oh, I love them. And I got them for like $5 at the beauty supply. And I just use the dual lash glue. And make sure to put a little extra amount on each end. Okay, I'm gonna put on some mascara now, after my eyelashes and the glue has set in a little bit more. And lately I've just been putting on my eyelashes with my fingers. And you have to do this while the mascara is still wet, so that, like, look, so that everything like kind of blends in really seamlessly. That's what I like to do. So the white in my eyelashes will go away eventually, like after everything completely dries. I am going to line my lips. I kind of started to line my lips and then I put on lipstick and then I didn't like it, so we're changing it up. So this is going to be the lipstick that I used in my most recent Instagram post. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you should. It's AMAYA-XO _XO. And same for my Twitter. I love Twitter. So my lip liner is not, it's not sharpened. So it's literally cutting my lips as we speak, but it's casual. Okay, so I just normally line my lip liners with this, and this is Sweet Tea by Morphe. And then I'm gonna go in with Pitch by ColourPop. And I'm gonna do one of these. So I like to put my lip liner a little bit, like I like to end it sooner than my actual lips, just because I feel like it gives my lips a more like pouty look. I don't know. And I do it for the top as well, like that. And I blend it out. And I use Sweet Tea by Morphe to blend it out as well. And then I'm going to go in with Never Nude by Wet n Wild. So I'm gonna use a mattifying spray. This is by Wet n Wild, and it literally smells like alcohol. So if you don't like the smell of alcohol, or if you're nervous about alcohol on your face, I would not recommend this because it literally smells like alcohol. It's actually crazy. I love when I put on makeup and then it works out. That's what I love to see. Like, that's like, I deserve, okay? I deserve. So this is the finished, wow, look. So this is the finished look. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I think it looks really good. I hope you guys think so too. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. You know, we trying to make moves or whatever. We trying to communicate with others. But yeah, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.